Okay, this part's hard. We're stopping a lot to take off jackets, and the left part here is a little tough. We're uphill. You stand up on your bike, and it's not too bad. Left part's a little easier. You guys okay? How you doing, Abel? Yeah, that part's a little easier. Let's wait up for the... Oh, you guys could go. Stand up on the left part. Where's Abby and Aslan? Tell them to hurry. Hurry! Stand up on the left side. Yeah. Come on, Abby. Stand up on the left side. The left side's a little easier. The left side's a little easier. Come on, Abby. Good, Aslan. Stand up. No, you could ride it. You all right? Ride it. Yeah, if you stand up, it's not too bad on the left side. A little easier than the right. Huh? Oh no, well. Here. Did it work or no? Stay on the left. Well. Are you okay, Abby? Huh? Your gear okay? I'd keep it a normal mid gear and just not change it too much. Huh? Okay, keep going. What? Yeah, put it in the backpack. You want to put in my wallet? Here. Give it to me. Okay. Okay, car coming. You want to wait for the car? Go to the right. And pass. We're not halfway yet. Oh, okay, keep going. Go. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay. Change her mind. Okay, go. Aslan, go. On the bumps, make sure your elbows are loose. Hands tight, but elbows loose. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh. That's okay. Okay, go, Austin. Go.